Hey y'all, we are out here in the garden and I'm so happy today. I have a helper, Alex. Yes, he came to help his mama. That's so sweet. So I'm going to trim back all of these vines. I'm cutting my blackberry bush down to just like a little teeny piece, and then you see this jungle over there. So hopefully we'll get it all cleaned up. I have vegetables ready to go down, but I want to secure the fencing again because I saw the rabbit. I will put that in there. He's just like his dad as far as these little nets. I can stand here, they don't bother me, and he's just a fan. Isn't that right, Alex?
Right.
Okay, so in my heart of hearts, I want to farm, but my brain, my head is smart enough to know that I don't have anyone to really help me to keep that up like I would want to, because Edwin's not an outside person. Alex is not an outside person, but he did sacrifice and come over to do some things for me. But I'm still not giving up on my country living dream. It might not be all the acreage that I imagined, but maybe something a little smaller and what's the word I'm looking for? I'm having a brain freeze. What's the word I'm looking for?
Smaller? You said
It's something that's smaller, but that I can maintain, easily. Easier to upkeep by myself and not without a lot of help. Because I like to camp on my land. I like to have other people come and camp out with me, and then plus have some fresh fruits and veggies. But we're gonna make some progress here today, and we'll come back in a couple of hours and see what we have accomplished. He's a fast worker, so it might not even take that long for him to get done what I need him to get done, and it'll be a progression of steps. So have a great day, and we'll check in with you later. All right, I've been out here most of the afternoon, and you can see I made progress. Look, Did you see originally how big that blackberry bush was? Ooh, I really cut it back a lot. That's asparagus here, and I have lots of mint, but I'm gonna pull that out too. So I still have a ways to go to prep these beds, but I hope to have them done by the end of the week so I can get my veggies in the ground. Oh, look at that sage, it's beautiful, right? I have to clear up all around here. Whew. I gotta work out. No need to go to the gym or anything today. I got it right here in my backyard. Not that I go anyways, but whew. Progress. I hope you enjoyed this gardening video. Next week, we're back on the road with Jenny Jean. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.